our foldable stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 48 inches, a depth of 24 inches, and the overall height, we have 31 inches tall. Coming to the bottom, measurements from the floor to the height of the table, we have 30 inches tall. And the distance from the left to right leg, we have 41 inches. The bottom left and right legs can be folded. So when placing the table on its side, the left and right legs can be folded and retracted. And located on the far left corner is the NSF certification. Table is protected by the film and can be peeled off. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.